Hey guys, so we have this fancy lightning LED bulb. We're gonna installing it on this 2008 Honda Civic, and we're gonna show you what's the difference before and after. All right, we got this front XI lightning bulb, and this one is for it's a 905 HB3 H8, supposedly a plug and play. Let's go ahead and unbox this one real quick. There you go, model 905 H11. All right, let's go ahead, open this up. And this one would be 120 watts, 32,000 lumen. And that's the fan speed, the color temperature 6,000 Kelvin, lifespan about 50,000 hours. So waterproof rating with IP67. Got 1 year warranty on this one. Let's see what it looks like. Go ahead, open that. There you go. All right, so you can see we have a fan here. It's 911 and 906. H11. This is the H11. Let's go start with this 9005 HB3. All right, so this one, that's what it looked like here. That's a fan in there. Then this is the H11, H8, H9. So you can see the plug there's pretty wide on the other side. All right, and we're gonna go ahead install it to our vehicle. And it comes with manual. Should be straightforward. Let's go ahead and install this one. All right, to get started, open the hood. Normally you like to access it under the hood, but this one I'm gonna have a different way to access it. Let's go ahead and turn the headlights on, and I might need to put a key on real quick. To make sure it's on. All right, there you go. So you can see the lights. I only have one on the passenger side, the other one is not working, driver's side. From here, it's the outer side of the bulb, not this one. This is a high beam and this is a low beam, so we're gonna go replace the low beam first, and we have to access that one. So let's go ahead, show you where I'm gonna get that. All right, on the driver's side, if you're just accessing the low beam without removing this, you can go get it from this side. You'll be able to see it. I'll show you. So it's right there. That's the low beam right there. But because we're gonna do the low beam and high beam at the same time, we're gonna go here and access here. So I'm gonna go remove the bracket from the battery right here. So move it just a bit. Then this washer, windshield washer, should be able to come off. Up. See, and I'm just gonna put this on the side. I might have a little bit spillage there, not a big problem, but from there you'll have an access from your headlight bulb and high beam and low beam from here. You see, you get some light. See, that's the low beam and the high beam is right there. Let's go ahead, grab them. All right, so from this side, let's go ahead, just give this battery a little tilt, and the windshield reservoir, I might have a little spillage, but it's fine. So but that side is the low beam. There you go, that's the low beam. Let me go ahead and remove that for you guys. And this is the busted one, and both of them, low beam and high beam, is two different ones. So this is the wide, a little wider prong in it, and this is the 9005. So let's go ahead and install this one real quick. 9005. Should click and put it back. You just twist it, make sure it goes properly. Okay, so the low beam is, once we got that in, let's go ahead and put it back. We have a different high beam here, so we're not gonna install the high beam. I think they got me the H11 instead of 9006, so that's not the right one. Let's go ahead, put it back, put everything back, and then we're gonna go to the passenger side. And from here, I haven't replaced the OEM yet, and that's what it looked like, and that's what it looked like from daylight difference. For the passenger side, as you can see from the hood, you can see them here behind the ABS module, but it's hard to reach there, so we're gonna go here from underneath by the wheel. What we're gonna do is just pry this out, and you should be able to see the low beam here, right there. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if we can see a good angle. Where'd you go? You guys see it? Right there. See? That one. So we're gonna remove that from here and replace it. Well, we got it installed. Let's go ahead and turn it on, see what it looks like. Alright, as you can see, it's bright again. And now we're gonna see the difference from at night. We're gonna drive this car, see the difference from before and after. Alright, I'll show you. Here's the headlight that I have. And when it's off, and that's with the lights on. And this is my high beam. And it's not too bright on my low beam. And this one is my right. On my left side, I think it's busted. Okay, so this is what it looked like of our OEM factory headlights, low beam on our Honda Civic SI, and that's what's looking at in the wall in my garage. And of course, you can see it's busted headlight on the driver's side. That's the high beam, and let's see what it looked like when we turn off these lights here. Let's see, let's turn it off, and that's what it looked like at night when it's a low beam. And high beam, of course. And let's go ahead and check it out with the difference of these after we install the new headlight that we have. Alright, so here's what it looked like installed. So that's what it looked like in the wall. And here's what it looked like in front of the car. It's very bright even though my headlamp is foggy. Let's go ahead and put it a test on the road. So that's what it looked like on the road, and still pretty bright outside, but you can tell the difference. If I turn off the light, turn on, off, on. Alright, so I hope you like this video, guys. If you have any questions, go ahead and message me below. And also I have a link in this description below if you want to acquire this LED lights. Go ahead, click the link below and you get a discount on it. Thank you for watching. Till next time, peace. Alright guys, hope you like this video. The only difference here I could not install the high beam because I got the wrong one here. Instead of a 9006, they got this, as you can see, different connector. Should be a little bit wider, just like this, almost similar to 9005, but this one works perfect for me at night. You'll see better when you're driving. Alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I have the link if you guys want to acquire this. Thank you guys.